The carnivore diet is gaining popularity, capturing the interest of many. But is it safe? Is it something you should try? More people are reporting its potential health benefits, which include improved energy levels and mental clarity. This way of eating focuses solely on animal-based foods, such as meat, fish, and eggs. It eliminates all plant-based foods, including fruits, vegetables, and grains. Could this simple approach be an answer to many worsening health issues, such as obesity and inflammation? For centuries, humans have thrived on various diets, many of which were rich in animal products. Many traditional cultures relied heavily on meats and fish for their sustenance and well-being. The carnivore diet taps into this way of eating, emphasizing simplicity and nutrient density. It emphasizes vitamin and mineral-rich foods that our ancestors often consumed, such as organ meats and bone marrow. This diet challenges conventional dietary wisdom, which often promotes plant-based foods. It goes against the grain of most current eating trends, which have dominated dietary guidelines for decades. But the growing number of people reporting success with an animal-based diet can't be ignored, as they report significant health improvements. It's time to take a closer look at this intriguing approach to health and well-being and understand its potential benefits, as well as the cautions. Could this be the key to unlocking optimal health and vitality? Or is it another trendy diet? Let's delve into the world of the carnivore diet and explore its potential to transform our health. The carnivore diet is a way of eating that focuses exclusively on animal products, eliminating all plant-based foods from the diet. This means filling your plate with meat, poultry, fish, and eggs, making these the primary sources of nutrition. It may also include some low-lactose dairy products, such as hard cheeses and butter, which are easier to digest. This diet eliminates all plant-based foods, whether processed or whole. This includes fruits, vegetables, grains, beans, nuts, and seeds, which are typically considered essential for a balanced diet. This strict approach makes the carnivore diet quite controversial, sparking debates among nutritionists and health experts. It goes against the common belief that we need plants for optimal health, challenging long-standing dietary guidelines. Critics argue that eliminating entire food groups could lead to nutrient deficiencies, impacting overall health and leading to conditions like heart disease and even cancer. They also worry about the potential long-term effects of a high-protein, low-fiber diet, which may cause digestive issues. However, proponents of the carnivore diet see it differently, believing it offers numerous health benefits. They believe that humans are well suited to thrive on a meat-based diet, pointing to our evolutionary history. They point to this history and the nutrient density of animal products, which are rich in essential vitamins and minerals. They argue that many modern health problems stem from consuming plant-based foods, which they believe are less optimal. The carnivore diet is a radical departure from conventional dietary advice, challenging mainstream nutritional science. It raises questions and sparks debate, making it a hot topic in the world of nutrition. Is it a sustainable and healthy way of eating, or just another dietary fad? Let's delve deeper to understand the rationale behind this intriguing dietary approach and its potential impact on health. Many people today struggle with chronic health issues, which can significantly impact their quality of life. These include obesity, type 2 diabetes, autoimmune disorders, and digestive problems, which are becoming increasingly common. The carnivore diet proposes a bold solution. Eliminate plant-based foods entirely, focusing solely on animal products. This diet aims to address the root cause of these health problems by simplifying food choices. Proponents believe that plant compounds like lectins and oxalates contribute to inflammation and gut issues, exacerbating health problems. They argue that by removing these compounds, the body can heal and function optimally, leading to better health outcomes. The carnivore diet's focus on animal products provides a high intake of protein and essential nutrients, which are vital for the body. This can aid in weight loss, blood sugar regulation, and improved energy levels, making daily activities easier. It can also reduce cravings and promote satiety, helping individuals stick to their dietary goals. While the carnivore diet may not be a magic bullet, it offers a fresh perspective on addressing modern health challenges through diet. It highlights the potential impact of our food choices on our overall well-being, encouraging us to rethink what we eat. Navigating the carnivore plate. Foods to embrace and avoid. The carnivore diet is simple in principle. Eat only animal products. This includes a wide variety of meats like beef, pork, lamb, poultry, and game meat. Fish and seafood are also encouraged. Eggs are another excellent source of nutrients on the carnivore diet. Choose whole eggs for optimal nutrition. Some people also include low-lactose dairy products like butter, ghee, and hard cheeses. What you eliminate is just as important as what you include. The carnivore diet restricts all plant-based foods. This means no fruits, vegetables, grains, plant oils, nuts, seeds, or processed foods containing plant-based ingredients. Staying hydrated is crucial on any diet. On the carnivore diet, stick to water, bone broth, and unsweetened tea or coffee. Avoid sugary drinks, fruit juices, and alcohol. In summary, the carnivore diet offers an interesting approach for those looking to simplify their eating habits or address specific health concerns. While it may not be a long-term solution for most, trying it for up to 30 days under proper healthcare provider guidance can provide insights into your body's unique needs. If you found this helpful, be sure to check out our other diet strategy videos shown here and share your successes in the comments below. We love hearing your stories.